student, last class we are discussing about number system, one of the concept of operation of real number. So in this class we are discussing about one of the professor has here show how to find root x geometrically. So in previous class we have to show that find root of 3.5 in geometrically. Same procedure have to follow here also. But what you ask in this question? Root x. We have to show on geometrically. Of a operation of real number. One of the real number is root x. Root x we have to show on geometrically. How to show? First, take a point and draw a line AB. Draw a line AB. Take a point, any point A, and draw the line AB. Distance is x. Distance is x. And next is now extend to line AB. Now extend to line AB to point C. Point C. So called as this point is C. So then BC distance such that BC distance is 1 unit. So first we have to take any point, and we have to draw the line AB. The distance is x in it, and next is the line AB extend to point C. The distance BC. The distance BC is 1 unit. So next we can, in this line AC, in this line we have to find out midpoint. In this find out midpoint. In this line we have to find out midpoint. So midpoint of, in this we have to find out, next we have to find out the line AC. We have to find out midpoint of AC. And next we have to O as a center, and radius OC. Give some name, the center O. So next is the midpoint. After find out O as a center. So the distance OC. The distance OC is an radius. The distance OC is an radius. You have to construct semicircle. And next is we have to construct semicircle. The radius is OC. And next is so B is draw a straight line at B. Draw a straight line B, and AC perpendicular to the point B. Draw a straight line. The AC is perpendicular to AC. The B is an kind. So the draw a straight line at B in a perpendicular line AC, and this line intersect semicircle at a point D. So the line is intersect at line semicircle. This line, the B, the intersect semicircle, give some name called as D. So next here, so distance here, next we can join this OD. So here to here distance, and here to here distance, and here to here distance we have to find out. But BD distance square root of, BD is equal to square root of x. We have to find out square root of x. We have to find out how to find out. But already we know about AC distance. AC distance is x plus 1. How? OB plus BC. AC is equal to, the lines are forms in this line. What are the lines are there? AB and BC. Is it right? So we can written as AB plus BC. Is it right? AB's distance is given x, and BC distance is 1. So AC distance is x plus 1. Is it right? Next is the midpoint of OA and OC. The midpoint of OA and OC. Here to here distance is x plus 1 by 2 means so midpoint is AC divided by 2. AC is how much? X plus 1 by 2. So OA is midpoint of OA is x plus 1 by 2 and OC is x plus 1 by 2. So next is here the distance OA distance is x plus 1 by 2 and OC distance is x plus 1 by 2. Is it right? And OD distance is how much? So OA is also radius, OC is also radius. In this semicircle, OD is also radius. So this is the radius, this is the radius, so this is the radius. So nothing but this distance is x plus 1. Is it right? This distance is x plus 1 by 2. How many radius we can trace on the circle? Infinite radius we can trace on the circle. Is it right? So here in this circle, semicircle, OA is the radius and OC also radius. So AC is what? Diameter. Is it right? Twice that of radius. Twice that of radius. Diameter means radius means half that of diameter. Half that of diameter. So diameter is how much? X plus 2. Then radius is x plus 1 by 2. That's why diameter of radius means half that of diameter. Half that of diameter. Diameter is how much? X plus 1. Is it right? Means AC. And next is radius means diameter means twice that of radius. X plus 1 plus x plus 1. How much? So x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2. How much? X plus 1. This is the radius. So here OA is radius in this circle, OC is also radius and OD is also radius. That's why x plus 1 by 2. Next we have to find out OB. Next we have to find out OB. How to find out the line OC? The line OC. OC is the line OC. How to find out? In this line, what are the lines are present here? OB and BC. Is it right? So how can you write as this OC? OB plus BC. Is it right? What do you find out? OB. OB is equal to OC minus BC. Shift from in LHS side. OC minus BC is equal to OB. That's why OB is equal to OC minus BC. Is it right? So OC is means how much? Half that of radius means midpoint of this one. X plus 1 by 2. Here look at this. OC is x plus 1 by 2. Minus BC is how much? Already given 1 unit. Minus 1 unit. Simplify, what will you get? X plus what you find out? OB. X plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So simplify, what will you get? 2 1s are cross multiply. 2 1s are 2 minus 2 plus into minus 2 1s are 2. So common denominator is 2. X plus 1 minus 2. 1 plus 1 minus 2, how much? Minus 1. X minus 1 by 2. This is the OB. So OB is how much? This distance is x minus 1 by 2. So x minus 1 by 2 already know. And next is OD we know. But BD we have to find out. Root x we have to find out. How to find out? First, before we have to find out, first we have to write OA and OB and OC is nothing but radius of a circle. Or midpoint of circle. Midpoint of this circle, how much? X plus 1 by 2. X plus 1 by 2. X plus 1 by 2. Next is OB. OB, sorry, not yes, OB. Here not OB. OC and OD. OA and OD and OC is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Here OB is equal to, already I find out OB is how much? X minus 1 by 2. X minus 1 by 2. Next, by using, here in look at this example, look at this figure, OBD, it is a form of right angle triangle. Is it right? OBD, it is a right angle triangle. By applying Pythagoras theorem, the triangle OBD, by applying Pythagoras theorem. What is the statement for Pythagoras theorem? Next is, in a triangle OBD, by applying Pythagoras theorem, by applying Pythagoras theorem. By applying Pythagoras theorem. So what is the statement for Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle.